She was the cheerleader. She was giving us. You know, she does this.
I'm dead. Peace
And
now.
she will be working.
Now they know you. Cross came to wake everyone up.
Like,
So you guys refuse to come.
Why are we sleeping? Tomorrow is Saturday.
Bring that for me.
Why are we sleeping?
Bring that one.
I'm drunk.
Me too, I'm fucking drunk.
I need to sleep.
I'm drunk as fuck,
Bring
like,
it for me.
I'm drunk as fuck. Why are we sleeping? We shouldn't be sleeping.
Cross and Boma sat there just talking, having like a conversation. I don't know what they were talking. As soon as I came, I just noticed that these two boys were.
Boma was gossiping. I heard his name.
I just sat down there and then I joined them and then started drinking. And that's how we just kept on drinking and drinking.
Yeah, when I woke up, if you see the headache.
Yeah, me too. When I initially woke up, my head was aching.
Yesterday was only conflicts I ate throughout yesterday. So when I woke up this morning, my head was bang, 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 bang. I said I have to eat. I ate, showered, went to bed again.